Hi, I'm Charles from Manila, Philippines. I'm 29 years old. A little bit about me is I love to edit, and especially where I have projects and need to upload pictures, videos, and templates in social media. I love doing it, especially on my rest day, and editing on my laptop or on my phone. That's all. Thank you so much.